Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the first connection. Make sure SQL Server is installed and the service is running, then enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager so remote connections work. Open SSMS and type the instance name, choose Windows or SQL Authentication, and enter credentials. Once connected, expand the Object Explorer to confirm databases and server roles. This immediate hands-on step gets you into the environment so you can inspect and act on your server. Once connected, explore the server structure to understand what you'll change and why. Navigate Object Explorer to inspect databases, schemas, tables, and stored procedures so you can target the right objects. Open a new query window, choose the correct database from the drop-down, and write TSQL. Use IntelliSense and snippets to speed typing. Execute queries, then review results and the actual execution plan. This helps you optimize performance. Make incremental changes and commit only after validating outputs. To finish, apply changes safely and configure management tasks. Create backups before major updates, wrap schema or data changes in explicit transactions so you can roll back if needed, and save TSQL scripts to source control. Configure server security by creating logins, assigning roles, and granting least privilege permissions. Once done, schedule maintenance tasks like backups and index rebuilds. If something fails, check SQL Server error log and Windows event log, restart the SQL service if needed, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.